Meaning of the English idiom odds and ends. Odds and ends refers to miscellaneous small items, remnants, and unused objects of no particular value. It has the same meaning as bits and bobs or bits and pieces, and refers to a random assortment of unimportant pieces or small things. It is any miscellaneous collection of little value. The expression is sometimes used to refer to chores as well. Examples of use. Ben loves making things out of the odds and ends he finds in his workshop. I'd love to go out this weekend, but I have a few odds and ends to take care of around the house. I finally finished packing for the big move, except for a few odds and ends. My mother used to piece together odds and ends to make our clothes. I keep a lot of odds and ends in this drawer, but most of it I never use. Origin of idiom. Used since the 1700s, odds and ends probably derived from an earlier term from the mid-1500s, odd ends, referring to short leftovers from bolts of cloth, and then later to short leftovers of any material, such as odd ends of chain or odd ends of lumber. By the mid-1700s, it had morphed into odds and ends and become more generalized, acquiring its present meaning.